Hello everyone, welcome to Havinahair Company YouTube channel. My name is Jasmine and today I'm going to show you how to take care of bone straight hair. Because of its unique characteristic, bone straight hair is one of the most popular and widely utilized hair type. However, in order to maintain bone straight hair for a long time, you must know how to care for it properly. So in this video, I will show you how to correctly take care of it. So before getting to know how to take care of bone straight hair properly, let's discover the definition of bone straight hair. This one is called bone straight because the texture is extremely smooth and slick. Unlike this is natural straight, you can see the difference between these two. Bone straight is much more shiny and soft. Yeah. But there is one thing that you should pay attention to is that bone straight hair doesn't require styling because it has been straightened already at the factory. So don't try to curl it or dye or bleach it because it can make the hair weaker and it can become tangled. The first and foremost thing to know about taking care of your bone straight hair is that you should know how to comb it properly. You should start from the ends and go upwards and brush it regularly to keep the hair smooth during use. And please remember to comb your hair gently to avoid breakage. Okay. The second important thing you should pay attention to is knowing how to use shampoo and conditioner correctly. You shouldn't wash your hair too often because it can shorten the lifespan of the hair. Instead, you should use shampoo and conditioner after 3 or 4 uses of your hair. You should use a mild shampoo and conditioner because it's not too harsh and it can provide moisture to your hair and it can keep the hair last longer. Apart from the things that I mentioned above, straightening the hair is one important part that keep your hair perfect bone straight. So now I will show you how to straighten the hair correctly. So the things you will need is the hair straightener, or as known as the flat iron. The next thing is comb, hair clips, a stick to part your hair, and hair oil. First, part your hair into a thin layer at the bottom. Remember to make it thin because if the hair that you will take is too thick, it cannot be straightened enough. And use a clip to clip it at the top of the hair. Secondly, use the hair straightener and take a small section and flatten it, just like I do here. You may need several times to make it perfect bone straight. After one section, take another one and keep doing it. After doing the first layer, take another layer, just a thin, just like the first one. And do the same with the first one. After finishing the second layer, you will take the third, the fourth, the fifth layers and do the same as I did, and to the very last piece of hair, and you will get perfect bone straight wig like that. After that, we should use the other hair care product like hair oil to keep the hair more shiny. Use a few drops of hair oil to your palm and massage it, and run your finger through the hair like this. But remember, don't use too much hair oil product because it can make the hair greasy. As you can see, the hair is straight and smooth and more shiny than before. So that's all about how to maintain bone straight hair. So please like, share, and subscribe to Havinahair YouTube channel to see more haircut tips and update our new products. See you in the next video. Goodbye.